So, this is what the tractor looks like so far. Took the tires off. Got new tires for Christmas. Just put them back on. And then this piece right here, the slides right there, it's cracked. Like I cracked it a long time ago. This piece. So, order a new piece. It's about $200 for everything. And hopefully it'll be ready or get here by this week. And I ordered a new radiator cap. I did drive the tractor around a little bit. Even though it was low on power steering, it's still kind of leaking. And yeah, these are the new tires. Looking snazzy. The old ones are like shit. These new ones are gonna look awesome on it. And I sprayed brake clean on the floor because there's power steering fluid just dripping everywhere. I might lay a towel down on it and I'll get on the new tires. So let's get to it.